Let's see who can survive the longest. I join you.
That's doing
Who? Oh, I E1.
four.
Yes.
You can actually swim four. You can that's it. You can it's very fun.
I know. But Riri, let's see who can next round. Let's see who's gonna be the winner.
Maybe me though.
Who is better?
This chicken is a joke.
Okay. And but they E1 me. But they left me behind. It's okay. How about next round?
Yes. I'm doing this all this chicken is a joke. Haha.
What is a pro?
It's the secret.
The seeker is a pro.
Yes.
If the seeker is a pro, he will get you.
Okay.
I knew it. You died. You died.
I think I'm famous. Yeah.
You can survive the longest in the next round.
Let's see.
Wait, you can join the round?
Yes.
I didn't even know.
When I show the round.
I thought someone was hiding at the staircase. What's this candy cane doing here? Oh, never mind.
You have to see, can you just stop? This,
What was that? I killed someone. Okay. I was
Fine.
trying to kill.
Let's kill everyone.
Why we need to find them first?
And then I see everyone. No. We need to go out in the orange.
Why is there a tiny one? Oh yeah, they are normal. If they're tiny, they are normal. Wait a minute. What's this? I cannot shoot. Oh well, guess my bazooka ran out of. What?
Oh,
Ra- I cannot even find. Oh, someone found them. Actually, not them. There's still one more. Wait, I think there was something as a troll for them.
where's the next one?
Okay, never mind.
Oh my, I got me react.
What? More to survive tower. Let's see. What? Oh, I want the candy one. Yes. Someone wants to go there too. Two, one, go! I am a hider. I bet they are gonna morph into whatever they see right there. Wait, I can morph into a laser.
Someone else. The biggest chocolate. The ticket after, but the ticket found one. The ticket only found out after.
Okay, they just walk over the lasers. And I'm one. Where? Go. I just bazooka one laser.
That's so.
I didn't even bazooka.
I
Oh, never mind.
you trying to Africa?
No, I die. Yes, I'm a seeker now. I'm the loser.
Oh no,
I'm the loser. Oh, you're a blue candy. Don't move, Riri. You need to find your hiding spot. That's your hiding spot. Wait. Don't move, Riri. They cannot see you because you're in the blue zone. No, Riri. First, did someone literally trolled me? It's literally a secret. And then they trolled me. Hey, Riri. How about you hulog? No. Yes? No. Yes? Oh, you hulog? Looks like Riri survived the longest, but I'm gonna bazooka her. You die? Oh, hi, chocolate Riri. Hey, Riri. Hey, Riri, stop right now. There we go. Eh, pinatay ko siya kasi nga seeker game nila ako yung seeker.
Huwag mo na madaya. Huwag mo madaya, papatayin mo siya.
Eh, kasi ako yung seeker.
Sige, pag ikaw seeker, papatayin mo siya. Okay? Ha?
Did you turn into a baby?